to pass such legislation to commemorate the persecution of Roma and Sinti as part of the Holocaust. In this, for instance, books are appearing, and this is a book which is about the Poraimus or Samudari pen in Italy, called Olocausto di Popolo Zingaro. And there are two words here. It's Poraimus, which tries to be the equivalent of Holocaust, which has a spiritual, religious meaning, and it's Samudari pen in Romani language, which is tried to be the equivalent of genocide. So I think that in the next years there will be more and more such books, which in different countries do what Hans mentioned, the recognition of the persecution of Roma in different countries. In this context, I ask a little bit of attention from you, because since the debate yesterday evening and until today, a group of dedicated activists work out a text for a possible resolution of the European Union to be adopted in order to commemorate the Roma Holocaust. It has been done today, because today in Romania, sorry, thank you, sir. Today in Romania, we commemorate 70 years since the deportation, the beginning of the deportation of Roma of Romania. The order to deport has been signed on the 1st of June by the head of Romanian government at the time, Marshal Antonescu. And in this symbolic day in Romania, here and there, in connection with the event here, there are gatherings where this event is commemorated. And it's not only in Romania, it is done also in a group in Napoli, where a group of Roma from Romania are living as, let's say, as part of the freedom of circulation in Europe, as they are Romanian, European citizens. So, with your permission, I'll read at least some paragraphs of this text that I hope that will be sent for sure to the members of the European Parliament, to the members from the national parliaments who have colleagues in the European Parliament, to the President of the European Parliament, who will be here on Monday for another event. So, we ask in this resolution to the European Parliament to acknowledge the persecution of Sinti and Roma in Europe under the Nazi regime as an integral part of the Holocaust, which was carried out with the same motive of racist ideology, with the same intention and determination for a methodical and total annihilation of Roma and Jews. To inaugurate the day of 2nd of August as the day of commemoration of the Roma Holocaust, following the initiative of Poland, which passed a law on this. The European Parliament invites the Member States and the neighboring countries to establish the 2nd of August as national days of remembrance. We ask to identify and to protect the places of mass execution of Roma during the Nazi regime and its allies, to identify and protect the mass graves of Roma victims, to provide adequate financial resources for the identification and documentation of these places, to initiate and support research in archives and by collection of testimonies to identify the localities, to strengthen academic research on the Holocaust against